Shauna Benoit here. Today we're going to talk about the F701 Amendment to Agreement. The purpose of this form is it is used when the buyer and the seller both agree to change something in the original contract after the binding agreement date. So here we have amendment to agreement. You would number it, whatever amendment it is, you would date it. And then it was between the buyer and the seller, so you put the names here. The binding agreement date, the date that the contract went binding, and then the address of the property. So in my example, I have the parties hereby acknowledge and agree that the correct legal spelling of the buyer's name is John Smith, John Smith, not Jon John Smith, as previously stated in the contract. All references to Jon Smith throughout the purchase and sale agreement and any related documents shall be deemed to refer to John Smith. All parties acknowledge and accept the correction. There are no additional pages. The buyer was signed here. The seller was signed here. And of course, if there's more than two sellers and two buyers, you would attach the F267. The buyer broker was signed, the seller broker was signed, and then the last party to receive would accept it and bind the contract, and it will be part of the agreement. And this concludes the F701 Amendment to Agreement.